Hi, it's another fantastic day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. I'm at our Coto demonstration garden. And up here I want to show you this real low-lying succulent, super green. This is January 22nd. And we've got this guy growing up here. Look at all this super green succulent all around here. All right, this is a Portulacaria afra. Now this is the dwarf form, or the prostrate form. It's called a dwarf elephant food. It's low growing, only goes to like 6 inches tall, and it's really flat to the ground. It's got this really dense, cluster of purple stems here. They arch, they arch around here, and they're real pretty, offset by this super green succulent leaves. We got here tiny little ovate shape. Look at that, next to the purple stems. This is super. Now this guy, it rarely flowers, but when it's very dry conditions, sometimes you meet little tiny flowers. They're a little lavender color. I don't see any, but you find them in summertime. It's a great ground cover. It's terrific for a little pot, kind of overhanging the planter area. They're hardy down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes to us from Africa. That's why it's called a elephant food plant. A lot of varieties of this plant. One's called a skyscraper. Another's called a corkbart. You also get variegated forms called variegata. And it's pretty easy to grow. It's drought tolerant. And it just forms this big bed of beautiful succulent green. Look at that. Look at this guy arching here. See, they get real thick here, like this one here, and it just arches way up here, all the way around. So imagine this is in a pot or overhanging your water feature. It'd be absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, it's my little short video on this little dwarf elephant, Portulacaria afra, little succulent we have here. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.